So at this point, what we need to do is modify our controller. And we need to change this index action method. We need a post and a get method because now we have a form that is going to be filled in and submitted. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add HTTP GET. We'll do that one first. And for that, okay, and just remember this is it. This is the one that is before we fill in the form. So we no longer need name, but we do need to put a value, and I'll show you where it is. Here it is displaying a future value. Okay, it's read only, but it is trying to display a calculated future value. And when we first go to the form, there isn't one, okay, because investment interest rate and years haven't been filled in yet. Okay, so what we need to do is kind of initialize a property here, and that will put a starting value into our form. Okay, so we've got viewbag.futureValue equals 0. Here we've got viewbag.futureValue. Okay, and we have the @ sign in front of that because this is technically Razor code. And in order for it to display, if you remember in a form, everything that displays is string. So we end up converting it to a string. And C2 is just one of the formats. It's currency with 2 decimals. Okay, so that's what we're converting it to. And you'll notice this is in the input tag, so this is what's going to be displayed. Okay, and remember, anything that's in a view bag automatically gets transferred to the view. Okay, so we're just kind of setting up here for our empty form. And then we have post. And so we've got public, action result, index, and we have future value model. And it guessed correctly. I just want to call it model. Such a smart program. And then we still are going to use viewbag.fv, but now we can take our model object and we can call calculate future value. And I got to fix that because this is a typo here. That should be uppercase. All right. And then we're going to return view. And we do need to pass it model. Okay, so they're both going to go to the index view. Okay, both these are going to the same view. The get is not going to have anything filled in, okay, except for viewbag.fv, which we're filling in with a 0. Okay, the post is going to have everything filled in, and we're calculating the future value. Okay, and we're passing along the model. You save all of this. So that here is where it's doing the connection to the model. And now it actually has something to display. Okay, it has something to display after a post. For a get, it doesn't have anything to display. So we're going to go ahead and run this. Oops. So here it is, and the 0 is displaying. And I will point out that if you didn't put that 0 in there, this would bomb. So monthly investment, interest rate, number of years, and let's calculate. And let's clear it. Okay, so it is working. Okay, although it is quite plain. So we are going to make this look a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and close this.